it's Alyssa from Stitchonomy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a split stitch in 2 different ways. Embroidery made easy. Now the split stitch is kind of like the back stitch that I explained in my previous video, but instead of going back into the hole of the previous stitch, we are going to actually stitch into the previous stitch. And there's 2 ways to do that. One way is to stitch up from the back of your fabric into the previous stitch, and the other way is to stitch into the previous stitch from the top. And the last version is also called the split back stitch. So let's begin. Whichever way you are going to use, the best looking split stitches are made with an even number of threads, because this allows you to split it exactly in the middle. For this video, I am using 4 strands of DMC cotton. Make a knot at the end of your thread and thread your needle. Insert your needle from back to front and pull completely through. Push down your needle a little further away. This is your first stitch. Now bring your needle up in the middle of your first stitch. But before you push up the needle completely, wiggle it around a bit until there are an even number of threads on each side of your needle. Then pull your needle completely through. Make your next stitch by bringing down the needle a little bit further away. Again, bring your needle from the back to the front up through the middle of the previous stitch and bring back down a little further away to finish your stitch. If the thread seems twisted, use your thumb and index finger to roll the thread until it lays flat. Continue down the line or your pattern until you are finished. Insert your needle from back to front and pull completely through. Push down your needle a little further away. This is your first stitch. Now bring your needle up at about the same distance away from your first stitch. Place your needle precisely in the middle of your first stitch and push down. Before you completely pull through, make sure that there are an even number of threads on each side of your needle. Pull through, and this is your next stitch. Again, go a little bit away and come up with the needle. Then bring back down in the middle of your previous stitch. Continue down the line or your pattern until you are finished. You can also do the split stitch with a non-divisible thread, like perler cotton. Just make sure to split the thread in the middle. So which method is the best? In terms of looks, they are both almost exactly the same. But method 1 uses considerably less floss, which you can clearly see from the back. So if you are looking to save on floss, which can be expensive, I would say go with method 1. There's a link in the description below to a free pattern so you can practice your split stitch. If you have any questions, please comment below or find me on Instagram at Stitchonomy. And if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This was Alyssa with Embroidery Made Easy, and I hope to see you all next time.